Hey everybody, it's me Marquita.
Me the girls. Me Hannah. Me
Don't
Savannah.
talk with your mouth full, Ham. Here,
Me
back up.
Savannah. And you can tell I'm wearing green because it's yellow.
You're wearing yellow.
Yeah, but it's
Here,
yellow.
we'll do this one first. We're coming here to do 2 taste tests. We're doing this one, Baby Shark cereal.
Baby shark, do 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 do, the baby.
Anyhow, Savannah.
What?
Get off the bar in a dress. Come on. Anyhow, I guess I'll do the taste test by myself. This is what it looks like.
No.
It smells so good. It smells like
It smells like cotton candy.
like Tricks
Yeah.
back in the days. But it's like red, yellow, blue with marshmallows.
Little tiny baby marshmallows.
Here, move this back. Watch your syrup.
Hannah, watch it. Watch my food.
Thank you.
Hannah, watch
I'm
it.
gonna get
Hannah,
one.
my food's there. I know.
Please don't knock over the food because we're in the living room.
Well, she already knocked it over once. What?
Did she get syrup on the?
Yes. No. Yes.
Did you?
Yes.
If
No.
you did, you better clean it up.
Yes. She did. I saw it. Where is it?
Let me
It's
see if it
over
got
there
different
by my
flavor.
cup. I did not knock it over. See? Oh, right there.
Now get something to wipe it up with.
I got paper now. Guys, look at my bar routine.
That's not what we're doing. It tastes like it tastes like Tricks when I was or Fruity Pebbles. Tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
Guys, we have tried Fruity Pebbles before.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Try your food in your mouth. Okay, Savannah. That's not what we're doing.
That was a little stumbled.
Anyhow,
I was about to say.
are you gonna try it?
Yeah.
Is your mouth clear? Put your sausage down.
Mommy, we've been practicing at therapy. Is your cave empty?
Okay, well, is your cave empty? Okay, good.
Cause that's what I at therapy. Hey guys, when I eat
Hold on.
I mean breakfast. Daddy's at work.
Mhm.
I don't know why they called him early. They did not call. No, Daddy. Why they didn't call Daddy, Savannah. Don't kick us in the face. I'm not trying to kick the friend in the
She's
face.
sitting here working on the bar.
Yeah.
If you wonder what she's doing here. These are Hannah's.
Mine.
Savannah, that's not what we're doing right now.
Good.
We'll chew it up first.
The marshmallow.
Tastes like Fruity Pebbles with marshmallows.
It's good. With
I'm gonna
mine.
give it without. You said you didn't want to do it, and you were sitting up there working on the bar.
I want to do the juice.
We're not doing the juice right now.
Oh. That's after we eat.
I give it overall from 1 to 5, I give it a decent 5.
I give it a decent 5.
Dry, I give it a 5. I don't know about wet because somebody
went overboard on the milk. It's Savannah.
Some little lady drunk the milk yesterday. Stop. You did.
Mommy, get it away from me.
Anyways. Come on.
We're right here.
And
lunch?
So Savannah went overboard on the milk, so we don't have any milk to try it with.
Yeah.
And I fixed them a sausage dog, so.
Yeah, sausage dog.
And I fixed me corn dog, so I'm not haven't ate yet. But anyhow, that was our taste test for the Baby Shark cereal.
Baby Shark.
I thumbs it up, and I think that it was good.
I think it was good too, because it tasted really good.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.